Good morning, class 5. So, yesterday we have started our exercise 8A, in which we have completed till question number 3. Okay, now we'll start with question number 4. What is question number 4? List the factors of the following. Now, this term will be very clear to you. What is the meaning of factor, and next question is multiple. First of all, list the factors of the following. As I told you, factors means by which all numbers this number is completely divisible. That is means, or those are the factors of this number. Suppose this is 48. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. Later on I will show you why I have written these all numbers. Okay, now let's start. As we all know that any number is divisible by 1 or is a multiple of 1. Okay, so 148 is a 48. 2 by 24 it will get divisible. 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 6 8s are 48, 8 6 are 48, 12 4s are 48, 16 3s are 48, 24 2s are 48, and 48 1s are 48. Now after this we can't write anything because 48 is divisible by 48 itself. After that, in no other table or from no any other number, 48 is completely divisible. Now these are known as the factors of 48. Means by these all numbers 48 is completely divisible, or in these all number tables 48 comes, or 48 can be multiples of these numbers. Okay, clear? Let's do question number D, that is 108. So it is divisible of 1, then 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, then 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28, then 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. After that 7, no, 38 will be 8 1s are 8, no, 9 1s are 9, then 18, 9 2s are 18, then 12, we can take 12 9s are 108, and so on, like 27, 36, in the table of 54, the table of 108. So till here you have to check here, maybe some more numbers will be there. So from these all numbers 108 is divisible, or these all are the factors of 108, or 108 comes in the multiples of these number. Maybe some other times, like for 108 times 108 comes, but in the table of 2, 54 times 108 comes, and so on. Let us check question number H. Like H, see, from 150 is divisible, from 2, from 3, 4 3s are 12, then 4, no, it will not go, then 5 3s are 15, then you can go more forward, 6 2s are 12, and 6 5s are 30, then table of 8, no, 10, we can take 10, 15, 25, 30, 50, 75, and 150, and so on. So these numbers, these are the factors of 150. Means from these all numbers 150 can completely get divisible, or 150 can be multiples of these numbers. So these are known as the factors of 150. Clear? Now factor is clear to you? From which all number the given number is divisible is known as its factors. Okay? Now let's move to the next question. That is question number 5. Now you see, today's date is 24. Now find the first 6 multiples. Now you can recognize the difference between factors and multiples. Factors means by which all number this particular number is divisible, completely divisible. Okay, now multiple means the number, the basic number will be same, this 9 will be same, and we have to find out the first 6 multiples. Means this number will be same and it product of this number and whole number, other whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, as we have read here in the definition of multiples. What is the meaning of multiples? A multiple of a number is the product of that number and a whole number. 4, then 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 threes are. This 4 will remain same and the whole number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, it is getting changed. In the same way, first find the first 6 multiples of 9. So the 9 will remain same. So 9 ones are 9. Now 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54. So we have to go till 6. These are the multiples of 9. Now you got it? Difference between factors and multiples. These are the multiples of 9. And if question asked us for the factors of 9, then factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9 itself. 9 cannot be completely divisible other than these 3 numbers. Am I clear now? These are factors of 9 and these are the multiples of 9. Okay, now find the 7th multiple of 16. Means 16 sevens are 16th 7th multiple of 16. Okay, find the 7th multiple of 16. Means 16 and multiple by 7, 7th multiple, that is 112. Find the 5th multiple of 15. Means 15 5, 5th multiple, that is 75. Now you got difference between factor and multiple. If the question asks for the factor of 16, then factor of 16 are 1, 2, 4, then 8 twos are 16, then 16 ones are 16. So these are the factors of 16 and multiples are 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, like this. These are the multiples of 16 and these are the factors of 16. By which number the 16 can completely divisible, those are 16 factors, and when we multiply a whole number from 16, those are its multiples. Means this number will remain same, that is 16, and we have to multiply it with the whole number, and this product is known as its multiples. Okay, now in the same way you have to write this. Suppose find the multiples of 15 greater than 120 but less than 225. So you have to go further. 120 means 15 8s are 120. No, then okay, let us start again. 15 8s are 120. Okay, so we can go 15 9s are 135, 15 10s are 150, 15 11s are, and so on, less than 225. That you have to do. Like in this question, find the multiple of 11 greater than 55. Means 11 5s are 55, but you have to move forward. Now 11 6 ja 66, 11 7 ja 77, 11 8 ja 88, 11 9 ja 99, 11 10 ja 100, and so on till less than 180. These are its multiples. Understood? Now write down the prime numbers. As I told you, prime number means the numbers having as factors as 1 and the number itself, and these cannot be divided by any other number. Okay, the numbers which are having factors only 2, that is 1 and the number itself. Suppose here we can take 53. Okay, we can take here 59, or I don't think so more than this. Okay, because 57 also in the table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So I think only these two numbers. So these are prime number. Prime numbers means prime numbers are the numbers whose only there are two factors. Number one is 1 and second is the number itself. Now what is composite numbers? The numbers having more than two factors are composite numbers. Okay, so you have to write here composite numbers, like between 40 to 50. 41 is a prime number, so 42, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49. We have to write between. Okay, now how these are composite numbers? So let's start from 42. 41 we have not taken because 41 is a prime number. 41 is divisible only by 1 and the number itself. Factors means it is divisible by only those two numbers, that is 1 and the number itself. So 41 comes in or divisible only by 1 or 41 itself. 41s are 41 or 41 ones are 41. Otherwise 41 never comes in any other table. 42, it is divisible by 1, 2 also, 3 also, 7 6 are 42, 6 7s are 42, 21 2s are 42, 42 1s are 42. So these are having so many factors. 44 same, 1, 2, 11, 4, 22 2s are 44, 44 1s are 44. So many factors are there. So the numbers having more than two factors are known as composite numbers. Now, is 1 a prime number? Is 1 a prime number? No. 1 is a unique number. As we have read, 1 is a unique number. See, 1 is a unique number. It is neither a composite number nor a prime number, since it has only one factor, that is the number itself. Means 1 ones are 1. Now 1 never come in any other table. Okay, so what is the smallest composite number? The smallest composite number is 4. More than two factors, as 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So there are three factors of 4. So 4 is a composite number. Write the prime number which is even. So 2 is the only prime number which is even. Okay, now write the prime factors of the following numbers. Now you have to write the prime factors. Okay, suppose this 27. This 27. Factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 3s are 27. Then 27 ones are 27. So write the prime factor of this 27. Prime factor is 3 because 3 is a prime number. So you have to write 3. Okay, now like this you have to complete this exercise yourself. Okay, in the book and in the copy both. Now today's your homework is, you have done this in copy. Okay, now you have to complete from question number 4 till question number 11 in your copy, in your maths copy. If you want, then you can fill with pencil in the book first and later on you can write down in your copy, but you have to write it in your copy. You have to do it in your copy. So your today's homework is to complete exercise 8A from question number 4 to the last question in your copy. It will hardly take beta half an hour. Okay, so complete this work. Tomorrow we'll start at CF. Then you come to know why this factor is very important, why we were writing the factors. Okay, then you will get it. Now complete it here and see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye, take care.